Hey guys, this is a quick Etsy pro tip. If you look at some words on Etsy search are kind of disregarded. They just ignore them. They don't use them to match words in search or not. So sometimes they do and sometimes they don't, but you need to kind of experiment on this on your own. Now, look, if you do mom, gift, daughter, Etsy's going to find every listing on Etsy that has mom, gift, and daughter in the title and tags, also attributes, categories, but I don't think that these are real attribute and category words. Anyway, so that comes up with 55,686 results, right? Now let's put in the word for. Mom, gift, for, daughter, which makes more sense. And the answer is 55,686 results. Now they might be in different orders, but probably not that much difference. And it just shows you that it ignores the word for in search. Now let's put in the word from and see what happens. And now we're down to 14,979 results. So if you want to be found for more searches, if you have a listing that is like specifically a gift for mom from the daughter, and it's like this one is a little poem and it's personalized, you can put your names in there. So you're going to be found for more searches if you put the word from in, and the word for doesn't matter. So you can use the word for or not, but if you want to be found for more keyword searches that have smaller results because nobody uses the word from, put the word from in. And again, this is the kind of thing that could change tomorrow. They might disregard the word from soon. Who knows? But that's the kind of thing you need to test. But at this point, they are not ignoring the word from, and you need to have that in your titles or tags in order to be found for these searches. So that's your pro tip for the day. Go put the word from in your titles or tags if you have a gift item, and that might actually help you get more searches. But you also have to put who it's from. So if this is to mom from the daughter, to the daughter from the mom, to the dad from the mom, whatever, to wife from husband. If it's specifically that kind of a relationship, then you need to put from, or else you're not going to be found for those searches. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later.